Ms. Hope, what do you do with the language in Wilkinson that seemed to suggest that equitable relief could also be precluded?
Certainly, Your Honor, and our reading of Dotson is that there is no form of relief, not damages, not a declaration, not injunctive relief, that is per se allowed or forbidden under HEC. This court did say in Dotson that a claim for prospective relief would generally not be barred by HEC, and it's repeated that admonition. But our position is that you look at the nature of the relief to see if it's HEC barred. This court has said that it will not ordinarily be the case that purely prospective relief, like Mr. Olivier seeks, is barred by HEC, but that's not a per se rule, and that's not our position, Your Honor.
So would are you challenging the underlying judgment or conviction of the previous convictions by petitioner?
Not at all, Your Honor. We are solely seeking an injunction and a declaration that the ordinance cannot be applied.
Is this a type of suit that can only be brought in habeas?
I would say this is the type of suit that cannot be brought in habeas. This court has described habeas relief as relief that shortens a sentence, requires immediate release, or does something with the attendant effects of the conviction. And the relief that Mr. Olivier seeks will do none of those things, Your Honor.
What would it take to have the consequences of the conviction carry forward? For example, would particular burdens that are imposed on someone who's been convicted carry forward, and would that be enough to prevent the 1983 action? Like, for example, the individual can't possess firearms. So long as that is carried forward, and if he overturned the conviction, it would not, is that enough to block the subsequent 1983 action?
So, Mr. Chief Justice, in our case, Mr. Olivier is not seeking any relief from any attendant aspect of his sentence. I believe in the Woolley versus Maynard case, driving privileges were at issue there, and nothing about the prospective relief in that case did anything to look back and operate on the sentence. So all of that would be intact.
What relief would he get under 1983 from any of those other types of burdens? Nothing?
He would not. No.